In this video, I will show you step by step on how to buy smartwatch on 1688 Chinese shopping app without using agent. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. So with that being said, let's start the tutorial and see step by step on how to buy a smartwatch. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's start the tutorial and see step by step on how to buy smartwatch on 1688 Chinese shopping app without using agent. So let's welcome back, friends. So let's see how to buy smartwatch from 1688 import from China. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure we head over to our 1688 app. I'm going to open up right here. Having opened up my 1688 app, and then the smartwatch I'm going to buy. So this smartwatch right here is what I'm going to buy. Okay, so let's quickly click on the product link. Then we click on here to proceed to product link. All right, this smartwatch right here is what I'm going to purchase. All right, so for me to purchase this item, I have to add the item to cart. So for me to add the item to cart, I need to click on here to add the item to cart. So this smartwatch right here, I need orange to be 2 and I need black to be 1. So let's quickly add them to cart. So right here, this is the black. I need it to be 2. And then right here, this is the orange color. I need it to be 1. Then once you're done selecting the items right here, you have to click on here to add the item to cart. After you have successfully added the item to cart, next thing you want to do is to click on the top right here to visit your cart. So getting to your cart, you're going to find the items right here. So for me to purchase the item, I have to click on here to select the items. So having selected the item, next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Right, so the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then paying the sum of 120 yuan to purchase these 3 smartwatch. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure my Alipay is selected, and come down below right here. I click on here to proceed to payment, and I click on here to confirm my payment and enter my payment password. You can see right here that the payment has been done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close the pop-up. Then I have to go back to my profile. So for me to go back to my profile, I need to click on here to go back. So for me to access my profile, I need to click on here. By the time I refresh my profile, the item, the smartwatch we just purchased, is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see it right here. This is the 2 pieces and this is 1 piece. Everything make it 3 pieces of smartwatch. So this is how to import or how to buy smartwatch from China using 1688 step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or on Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.